Alright, before we dive in, don't forget to click the link in the description below for a cheeky little discount on Hello Prenup. Trust me, you'll want it. So, let's talk about prenups. If the very word makes you picture two lawyers and a lot of dramatic sighing, mate, same. But here's the twist. Hello Prenup is actually flipping the script, making the whole thing way less scary and a lot more, dare I say, couple-friendly. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't a prenup just for millionaires or celebrities who name their kids after fruit? Nope. Turns out, Hello Prenup is designed for real people like you and me who want to protect their futures, keep it all civil. It's an online platform that helps couples create a legally sound prenup without the awkward lawyer meetings or eye-watering bills. And get this, you both fill it out together, online, at your own pace. So you can literally be in your pajamas with a cuppa, sorting your future. It guides you through everything, finances, property, even pets. No legal jargon, just plain English, so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. Plus, loads of couples are saying it actually helps start important conversations like, what are we saving for? How do we want to handle money? One review said it was the most honest chat they'd had about their future, and honestly, that's proper relationship goals. And the best bit, it's a fraction of the cost of the traditional route. That means more money for your honeymoon, or, takeaway pizza when you can't be bothered to cook. So, if you want to sort your prenup, skip the drama and actually feel closer as a couple, give Hello Prenup a go. Remember, there's a special offer waiting for you in the description below. Go on, treat yourselves to a bit of peace of mind.